Hey folks, welcome back to Software Testing Hacks. In this video, let's talk about some of the common methods, especially the get methods used in Selenium. Okay, before we begin, if you have not subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe to the channel. Let's get started. First, let's see what are the different get commands that are available. First is the get. We have already used this get method, correct? If you have, you know, seen the previous videos, we have used this get method, so which will actually helps to open the specified URL in the browser. Okay, and the next is the get title. So get title method, it returns the title of the current page. If you notice, suppose if we go to
So this is the application. If we come here and then if you inspect this, okay, so here you can see something called as title. Yes, here is the title. So this title will get displayed here, okay, at the top. So this is the title. If I want to get this title, then get title is the method that we can use. And the other methods are get current URL. Okay, whatever the URL that we have here, okay, that page URL it will fetch. Okay, suppose if you have navigated to a different page and you want to verify the URL of that page matches your expectation or not. In that case, you can get the URL of the page that you have navigated to and then compare it. Correct? So in that case, it is useful. Next is get page source. So this returns the source code of the current page. If you again go to click on right click on the page, and here we have an option called view page source. So at certain times, if you want to validate certain things, you can validate. See, suppose we are sorry, but Orange HRM doesn't work properly with JavaScript enabled something. So you want to verify this, okay, which is present in the no script. So certain cases you might want to verify something in the page source as well. In that case, you can get the view page source, okay, using this get page source method and then compare it. Next is get window handle. So it is used to return the handle of currently active window. Uh, so suppose this particular window I have opened, okay, each of this will be having a different ID. This tab is having one specific ID, and if I open another tab, okay, so that will have another ID as a okay. So that will not be seen anywhere in this web page. Only when during the runtime, okay, you can fetch the window ID of the particular tab, okay, of the particular window. In that case, you can use this get window handle. Okay, there is another method which is get window handles. So there is a slight difference between both of them. Okay, suppose if you have opened this page and then from here, say there is another link. Here we have something called Orange HRM. On click of this, it will take me to a different page. Okay, so what happens is if I want to switch from this page, okay, from this page to this page, the window handle is required. So using that, I can switch from the orange HRM to human resource this page, okay, and then perform actions on this page, okay. So that is how differently we can use it, okay. So let's see this with an example. Go to our Eclipse and then create the create a new class. Let's name it as common methods, common methods test, okay, something like that. And then select this finish. So now we have a fresh page. So what we have to do is let's remove this. Let's go to one of the earlier page and copy these four statements. So in here, we are just launching the web page, okay, launching the browser, and then we are navigating to this um, page using the get method. So here, let's say get method to navigate to specified URL. Okay, so this takes me to the it opens the browser, and then the get method opens this particular web page. Let's add this throws. Okay, and now, so first, what let's talk about get title method. Okay, so get title method. So let's say driver dot. If you give driver dot, then you will see all the methods. So if you just type in get method, so there are different get methods. You view page source and then screenshot section ID. So majorly we use these methods basically. Okay. So get title. You can also try with other things as well. Certain methods we will talk about it later as well. Okay. When you give this, so what does this return is? It returns a string. Okay. So I have to store it in a string because it returns the title of the web page. So title is equal to, so now let's print the title, and also we will add driver dot quit. Okay, quit or close, anything we can use. And let's run this now. Okay, well, yeah. If you see, the title is printed as orange HRM. Okay, so um, next try get the current URL. Okay, get current URL. This method. So let's say driver dot get current. See, there are different methods. Current URL. So basically, this also returns a string. Okay, this also returns a string. So we will store it in a string format. String uh, current URL is equal to, okay, and then let's print. So let's print the current URL. Okay, and let's run this. So if you're getting so basically first we got the title. So title, where the title will be. So the title will be here. Let's open. So first we got this title, and next now we are trying to get this URL. Okay, so let's go back and run it. If you see, so this is the URL. Now you can compare whether the expected URL is what you got or not using the session. In coming videos, we will talk about that. Okay. So now we got the URL. So now another get method what we are going to use is page source. Okay. So let's see how we will find the page source. Driver dot get page source method. So this also will return the string. So otherwise you can directly print it as well. So you can, let's say, string of page source is equal to, so let's print ISO and then page source. Okay, let's save and then run it. Here is where it printed all the source of the page, starting from HTML, meta, carousel, see, title, everything, whatever we saw in the view page source, that's what it printed. Okay, so fine. Now we have another two methods. One is get window handle, okay, and another is window handle. So first, what we'll do is we'll try to print what we will get via the window handle. So meanwhile, let's comment this. Okay, let's not print, so it will be too much. Okay, it also returns string. Yeah, get window handle returns string. So window handle is equal to driver dot get window handle, and then let's print it. Print the window handle. Save and then execute. So it returned me the view ID, particular window ID. Okay. So here, if we talk, right, so each of this tab will be having a different ID. So it returned the current page ID. Okay. ID of the current page. So now let's see with the get window handles. Driver dot get window handles method. So here the difference is, so this get window handles method, it returns the set, okay? Because there will be a multiple IDs which will be returned, so which gets stored in the collection. If you have not watched the collections playlist, go and watch to get the deeper understanding of what list and set and then different collections we have spoken about. Okay. So now let's store it in instead of string, okay, and then window handles is equal to, so driver dot get window handles. So first also we have to import this. So now print this, print the window handle. Yeah. So and run it. It just return this window ID, okay, in this format, okay, in the uh, array, correct? But what I want is, okay, here we just printed the current, you know, page, current window itself, correct? But what we are going to achieve now is we will click on this and then we will return. We will click on this particular URL. First, that is what is required. So inspect and then get the, we can identify it using the link text. So what we'll do is before that, we'll say ever dot find element by dot link text and then print this link. Okay. And then perform dot click. Okay, and then you will get try to execute this. So now if you see, it returned two IDs, correct? It returned two IDs, okay? With the, see, this got printed in the window handle, okay? And then this got printed in the window handles. There are two different IDs it returned because we have two tabs open, two windows open, okay? So now let's compare, okay? In case here I'll use because we have two window handles, correct? Two window handles we have. Okay. In case if two tabs are open, okay, which it will return. It doesn't need this string. Sorry, set. Okay. Now let's print this. So what we are going to compare is in the get window handle method, okay, what it will return. And after the click of the particular uh, link, okay, there is another tab which is opened. Okay, in that case, how does it behave? So it returned the one which is only the first one, even after, even though it clicked on the another uh, tab. I mean, it clicked on another link which opened in a new tab. Still selected because it currently this method will return the current page ID. Correct. So that is what we did. So what happens is if you want to switch from one page or one ID to the another ID or another tab. So this that window handles method is useful. So you can switch between the tabs. Okay, you can perform actions if you want to perform actions on this. Okay, then you have to switch. So you have to get the ID of the two of these windows as well, and then you have to switch and then perform actions on it. So that is the major idea behind this get window handles. Certain there are lot of cases that comes. Okay, many cases you might have to switch from one window to another window. So that is where get window handles method is useful. So hope you've got to know what are the different common methods used in the get. Okay. So hope you learned about all the get methods in this video. In the upcoming videos, we will talk more about the common methods. Okay. Hope you have liked this video. Please do like it, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.